Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan, and we're going to go over how you replace your front windshield wipers. So here's your front windshield wiper. We just need to be able to pull it up. This has enough motion that we can pull it. We have the wiper up here. We need to depress this little button back here. There we go. So you just need to press that in, to depress it and to get it out, and then you'll be able to slide the whole thing off and be able to get a new one put on. And make sure you get the right length. Generally the driver's side is bigger than the one on the passenger side, and so then you would take your new one, and then you would just make sure that you have the right attachments for your type. If you buy a universal, that you attach the right universal clips on there. And then you'll just take your new one, pull it back into the bracket here until it clicks into place, and then you'll be able to put your wipers back down, and that would be how you replace your windshield wipers of your Volkswagen Tiguan. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.